Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off watch history on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. Okay, so now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Okay, so once you're here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And now tap on Manage All History. Okay, so once you're here, you have to simply tap on Saving Your YouTube History. Okay, so if you only wanted to turn off your watch history, simply uncheck this option that says Include the YouTube videos you watch. Tap on Pause. And if you wanted to turn off your both search and watch history, you have to simply tap on Turn Off and tap on Pause. And that's it. You have successfully turned off watch history on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.